Hello and welcome back. Today we are comparing the three scales of temperature, namely the Fahrenheit, the Celsius, and the Kelvin scale. The first thing to note down is that Fahrenheit was developed the first among these three, being developed in 1724, while the Celsius scale was developed in 1742 and Kelvin at a much later point of time in 1848. Now coming to the contributing country. Fahrenheit was developed in Germany, whereas Celsius was developed in Sweden and Kelvin was developed in Great Britain. Moving forward to the name of the scientists who developed these scales. Number 1 is Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. At number 2 we have Anders Celsius. Number 3 is Lord Kelvin. Moving forward to more particular details. In case of Fahrenheit and Celsius, the degree symbol is used, whereas in case of Kelvin, the degree symbol is not used. The ice point for Fahrenheit is 32 degrees, in case of Celsius it is 0 degree, and in case of Kelvin it is 273 Kelvin. While talking about steam point, in the Fahrenheit scale it's 212 degree Fahrenheit, in the Celsius scale it's 100 degree C, and the steam point in Kelvin scale is 373 Kelvin. The last point of difference is actually the difference between these two numbers. That is to say, if we subtract 32 from 212, then we get 180 divisions between these 2 points. Similarly, in case of Celsius and Kelvin, if we subtract the ice point from the steam point, then in both the cases, we get 100 equal divisions between the 2 points. So these were the point of differences among the most widely used temperature scales. Thank you for watching this comparison video. I'll see you again tomorrow with a fresh topic. Goodbye.